How to reset Discover online banking account password. Hi guys, welcome to our channel. Let's begin. In this video, I will guide you on how you can reset Discover online banking account password. For that, you want to open any web browser, then head over to discover.com. Now tap on the login option. Once you're here, you can easily log in using your user ID and password. In case you have forgotten your password and you want to reset that, you want to tap on the Forgot User ID/password option. Now, you want to select any of these options. If you have forgotten your banking user ID or password, you have the banking section here. Go ahead and tap on the Forgot Password of that section. Now, the next step is to enter your date of birth. Go ahead and do that over here. Then you want to enter your social security number. After that, you want to enter the mother's maiden name. Now tap on the continue option. After that, you will have to complete some other verification steps. Once it has been verified, you can simply reset your password from there. And that's it for this video. If you found it helpful, please make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more videos like this.